Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to be playing in some new makeup. It's going to be featuring this Fenty skin tint. So yeah, if you would like to see what look we create and how this product performs, then make sure you keep on watching. All right, so brows are already on. I will go ahead and link above my brow tutorial if you missed it. And I know you guys kind of noticed the background. The plants are missing. So here's tea. Here's the thing. This plant parent life, it's getting the best of me. Well, not so much. Well, kinda. Yeah. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out so I can be a better plant mom, but the struggle is very real. So before I give up, I'm gonna just I had to give my babies some TLC, pull them out of this room for a second and try to figure out what's going on. So that is the difference that you notice behind you, but they will be back. They will be back. I will be putting them back. So we have the new Fenty Hydra Vizor Huez Skin Tint Moisturizer. I have number 8. We're gonna be putting this to the test. I can kind of fluctuate between 7 and 8 because they are so sheer, but I felt like 8 would be a better color just because it's summertime, and you guys know I like to be just a half a second deeper just because I feel like it photographs better. So yeah, this is what it comes with. You just get your skin tint and then the package that it comes with, because this is refillable. So when you run out of this part, you keep the case and this slides into it. So yeah, we're gonna try this out. All right, so this is what it looks like when it's all out of the packaging. This is the refillable case. So this is the case. This is the product that you would buy instead of buying this whole thing together. So you slide it in and it snaps down and snaps back up. And when it's time to refill it, you snap it up and pull it out, throw this away, and buy another one. The price, I can't remember. I know for sure that this case was $6, I feel like, but I think this was like 36 or 42. Whatever it is, I'll leave it on the screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin. We're gonna close this. For primer, I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Radiance, and we're going to just do 1 to 2 pumps all over the face. So we are already primed, nice, moisturized, and ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and pump. All right, let's go ahead and pump. I think I'm gonna pump it on the back of my hand first. Get it going.
Cute.
If it comes out, there we go.
Oh, that looks pretty cute.
So I'm gonna do 2 pumps. This is so pretty. I feel like it's showing up a little warmer on camera than it is in person, but nonetheless it's very, very pretty. Yeah. So I'm not expecting this to give me a flawless finish. I just wanted to kind of kiss the skin with color, not crazy pigmentation. This is going to be great for somebody that just likes a wash of color, wants to have skincare infused with the product. Just a quick little throw on and go type of product that you don't have to really think about and conceal, because I can actually do this and go. I don't have to conceal if I didn't want to, because it just gives me a nice wash of color. So far so good. I love how my skin looks with it. It just looks very glowy, and you guys know that I love a glow. Right, so we have everything on. We're gonna go ahead and conceal. So we're gonna go ahead and conceal. I'm gonna keep it in the Fenty family, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Wear Even Concealer. I'm gonna start with 470W and then brighten with 385W. You awake? Your dad's awake? Oh, I thought I just heard him. Looks so good. All right, brightening a little bit with 385. All right, so we have concealer on. I'm really loving how this is like coming together. It's very, very pretty. It still looks like skin, not overly done. You can still kind of see through a little bit. Like you can still see some of my blemish right here on my forehead. You can still see my skin, but it looks healthy. So we're gonna continue on with this vibe because I'm loving it. And we're gonna go in with the Tarte Double Duty Sculpt Tape Bronzer, well, contour actually. And I'm gonna start with, what color is this? I'm gonna mix rich bronze and deep bronze. And the reason that I'm using these are because they're pretty sheer. So it'll go with like the skin vibe without giving too much color or heavy coverage to the skin. It's gonna be a little bit more natural. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and blend this out. I really love how this is looking, y'all. It's so pretty. This is really, really cute. I'm loving how this looks. So this is also making me rethink the powder that I was going to use. But before we do powder, we're gonna go in with this cream blush. This is from Fenty. So we're gonna keep this like a very fresh look. So this is the cream blush in Rose Latte. So we're just gonna kind of keep it very fresh and not overly done up. Just, yeah, like a kiss of color. Love this so much, so much. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, so I grabbed the Huda Beauty powder, but I feel like we need to kind of alter the powder. So, yeah. We're gonna go in with the Huda, and this is in Peach Pie. And very lightly set, because I don't need this to be overly matte, because I do love the shine and the sheen of how my skin looks. So I'm really just gonna focus on setting underneath the eye so that nothing creases. Looks so good. All right, so to set the rest of the face and to keep, I gotta do a powder that y'all can get. I was about to get a powder and y'all can't even get it no more. All right, so because I want to use this Laura Mercier Candlelight Glow powder, we can't because they don't sell it anymore. And then I was gonna use the NARS, but they don't sell that anymore either. Both of them are luminous powders, so We're gonna have to go to the Ride or Die, which is MAC, which you guys can get your hands on. This is the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish. I'm gonna use Dark Deepest just because it still allows your skin to peep through, and it's not gonna give you super crazy coverage, but it is gonna set your makeup or whatever you have underneath it. So that's what I'm doing. Typically, if I wasn't recording, baby, Laura Mercier would be on my face. But I want you guys to be able to recreate and have an option. And Laura, could you please, pretty please, bring back the candle glow? Like, pretty please. All right, so for the eyes, I'm just going to kind of lightly set with whatever's left over on my brush. And then I'm gonna go into this, this is old, but, oh, hold up. So then we're gonna go into this. This is from Natasha Denona. These are her Chroma Crystal top coats. I also have the ones from Jaclyn Hill, and also, why's my, sorry y'all, it's itching. It's like something is there. What I'm first gonna do is grab the bronzer. The bronzer that we're gonna be using is from Fenty. This is the Fenty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty, and all I'm gonna do is go along my lower lash line, underneath, and just add a little bronzer here, a little bronzer here. Okay, in the crease. And then we're gonna bronze the rest of the face, just a little bit. I'm not like trying to add structure. This is still gonna be like a fresh look. All right, now I'm gonna take the Natasha Denona, what is this? The Chrome Crystal top coat. It just looks like this. And we're gonna dust this on top of the lash. So I'm gonna mist my brush just so I can pick up. All right, so I missed the brush already. I'm gonna go ahead and into the Natasha Denona top coat. It's gonna pick up some of that color, and I'm just gonna lightly dust on the lid just to kind of add a little reflection. As you can see, nothing crazy. Same thing here. I don't want a crazy eyeshadow look. I want this to be very fresh, just because I feel like the skin tint is very fresh. And yeah, cool. We're gonna go in with some mascara. I'm just gonna use this, what is this? The Sephora Love the Lift mascara, because we're gonna go in with, well, you know what? I don't know if I want to do lashes because I feel like this is so fresh. We might be able to skip on lashes. We're gonna see. But I also don't have lashes, so we might have to go in with lashes. I know everybody's on this no lash kick, but you see, I don't really have lashes. You know who makes me look like I have lashes? Fenty. And that's why I love that mascara, because it makes it look like I got a little something. This does nothing. So if I definitely wanted to do if I wanted to do no mascara, this would not be it. So Fenty, watch what Fenty does. Fenty makes it look like I have a little something, just a little. Now my lower lash line, I got lashes there, and they love to show out. Let's move on to lips. Lay lips. So, oh please. So Glossier came out with a line of lip liners, and these are the Line Lip Enhancing Pencils. These, I was playing with them in the store, and once they set, they do not budge, which we love, okay? This is, they have 3 options for browns, which they have 3 options for brown lip liners, which thank you to the Jesus and the Lord above, because we've been needing some more brown girl friendly lip liners. So this one is in Bare. It's gonna look like I have makeup on.
No, not really.
Do you like it?
He called me.
Do you like it?
Oh, yeah, that looks real natural. I fuck with that. You don't look like you down.
A full face of makeup?
Yeah, man. But don't like you finna smear that shit all on my damn shirt. But it looks pretty.
Thanks, babe. We're gonna top it off with this new Givenchy lip balm that I got in number 117. I got a PR package from Urban Decay, and this is their new all-nighter setting spray. It is the all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray with hyaluronic acid, watermelon fruit extract, and it's an all-day wear. So this is gonna give us a dewy finish, which I love because I love to be dewy. And it is, let's see what their claims are. Urban Decay hyaluronic acid and watermelon extract. It's gonna give you bouncy skin, all day hydration. It's a refreshing scent, and it's gonna lock in your makeup for up to 16 hours. So I'm super excited to try this because I love a glowy look. Packaging super, super cute. I'm excited. I'm really excited to try this one. Let's see. Ooh, she's cute. I like. All right. I don't know if I need to shake it, but we gonna shake it. We gonna shake it. We gonna shake it. This is so cute. I'm excited. All right. So going with the dewy theme. I love how this setting spray looks. Okay, Urban, it looks so good. Skin definitely looks very glowy, nice and hydrated. Now we're gonna see if it's gonna make it last, you know. We're gonna see. It's very pretty though. I love how glowy I look, especially on top of the skin tint. It looks really, really good. Yeah, all right. So I was gonna add some highlighter, but I feel as though we look good without it. I feel like I'm very glowy, so I'm definitely gonna keep this a skin moment. I'm not gonna add any highlighter. I was gonna add the Fenty, what is this? Truffles and Glow, but I really love how the skin looks without it. I don't know. I really love how this still looks like my skin and glowy. So I think we're gonna close her up. Yeah. All right, guys, this is the completed look. How do we like it? I love how it looks. It looks just like skin. I love this skin tint. I like how it's looking with the concealer. I love that the setting spray kept my skin nice, dewy, and hydrated. It just all played together really, really well, and I do love how it looks. I love the lip combo. It's not too much. I feel like even with this face, even if I were to take away the liner, I feel like I could do a clear gloss and it would still look like skin. So yeah, I love the Glossier liner. I'm gonna go back and get the other two browns because I do love it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, I forgot the skin tint. It's bomb. I definitely recommend trying it out. I don't know, I just love it. It looks so pretty. So pretty, so pretty. So yeah, I love that skin tint. It is definitely a 10 out of 10 in my book. It has SPF in it for you. It's gonna keep you glowy, hydrated, and protected from the sun. The packaging is cute. I mean, I just love it. It looks so good. It played really well with the concealer. Everything just looks so good. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that post notification bell so you stay up to date every time I upload and don't miss the upload. And yeah, I will see you in the next video for 30 days of content. Yes, 30 days of content. Bye guys.